guys. All right, so we are headed to B&Q to get a paint sample and also to find some sort of storage for my laundry room area. So I'm just gonna show you. I need to find some sort of very productive storage for this area. As you can see, it has huge potential. What I originally want to do is have like one shelf there, another one right on the bottom. I don't want anything to be sitting on the actual dryer just because I feel like that's dangerous. And then a mini one against this wall here to store miscellaneous items and stuff. Ooh, also, I got this for my dryer sheets and I love it. Oh my gosh, I got like my Amazon order too. And a bunch of things came. If you guys don't know what bukhur is basically like stoned, rocked, perfumed wood chips and rocks and I'll put the actual description of what bukhur is right here. But basically, it's a very big part of my culture. I didn't want your traditional bukhur incense burners. I just felt like they were just not me. I found one that is so me. And I'm like, oh my God. It's like the revolution of bukhur burners. Ah, that's it. What you do is you have a tea light candle there. I'm gonna wrap this with foil so it doesn't actually get ruined. Maybe I can find gold foil somewhere, I don't know. Just so I don't ruin the aesthetics of it. And then you put your stone or wood chip or whatever that you want to burn up here. It sort of adjusts. It has this like screw. You go around the house just incenting the whole house with bukhur. I have this here and that came today. It was a little expensive. The reviews were all right. They were like, not 4 out of 5, I think they were like 3.5 out of 5, but I will keep you posted and let you know if it's worth purchasing. The kitchen has been completely done, just needs a little cleaning, but I finally did my kitchen video for you guys just the other day, and slowly but surely, I'm starting to feel 1,000 times better about the house, about just getting my mental junk in order. Decorating different corners. Today we're going to be working on Adam's room, which is going to be super exciting. I got all the pieces now to sort of start decorating his room. These things are so tedious, they take so long, but you want to get it right. You don't want to impulse buy. You don't want to buy things that you're not really obsessed with. It's starting to feel like a real home right now, so I'm just so excited. I have my Hinch book, Mrs. Hinch. If you don't know who she is incredible for just keeping your house clean and tidy. So we are just going to the shops. Say hi.
Hello. What do you want to look
Say hi, Boo-Boo. B&Q. I have the measurements and everything I need in my Hinch book. Just cleaning the entire house and getting everything ready, home friendly. Just has been so stress relieving. You guys don't understand. It's actually made me put on weight how like discombobulated my home has been. I don't know if that's the right word.
Is that what?
Yeah, discombobulated is Huda's favorite word. I have been really stressed out with the fact that my house has just not been complete yet. We moved in October. Now that it's coming together, I just feel my spirit lifted. All right, so I'm at B&Q and I'm going to get the shelving for the dryer room and a few other bits like wood stain. So I'm gonna make my own shelves basically. I've always wanted an orange tree or a mandarin tree. I think I'm gonna go for this one. This one looks good. Don't know if this was a good call, you guys, but inshallah, I'm very determined to make this live and flourish. You know what? I'm quite proud of myself. Through this whole process, I've made myself quite a handy woman, if you know what I mean. Okay, so I see a lot more wood here. Yeah, I think this is what I need. It's all starting to look the same to me. I don't know what I'm looking for. I'm officially confused. Like, I don't know what any of these things do. And I can't find anybody now. But we're on a little adventure. Aha! I found my brackets. I found some shelving. Okay, your girl's back in the game. I found something that is more like what I want. And I'm really tempted to just get like a wooden, no. Get a piece of wood, stain it. Now it's just a matter of finding pieces of wood that I can stain. But I'm in the building area, so wish me luck. So I just decided to get this piece of oak effect panel because the real ones were just so expensive. I didn't feel like it was justifiable for a dryer room, if you know what I mean. So yeah, we got everything we need. Look at my little man. Hi, Papa. Yay! I got an orange tree.
Thing, yo. Sun's beaming.
So we got the things we needed from Palman, which was like...
Eat his cheeks. Is it halal? If I eat it.
Of course it's halal.
If I eat his cheeks, yeah?
Of course. All right, so this is the shelving unit that we built in. We just put these battens, I think that's what they're called, to lift the shelves because the brackets that we got just wasn't supporting the shelves. We drilled that into the wall, and then we took the small one and just put on the top here. So I'll keep some dishes in here, my detergent. This is actually a little bamboo dryer sheet container. Yeah, this will pretty much save me on some space. I mean, we could have definitely gotten one that was more like longer this way, but it's fine, it will do. I can also home my broom, mop, and all the cleaning supplies in here as well. We do just need to go in with some clogging solution and just fill in the holes that are in the back of there, but to be honest, you won't really see it once things are sitting on the actual shelves. So I'm really happy with this. Do you mind getting down, John? Okay. Hey guys, alright, so I'm in my wardrobe. Adam's sleeping right upstairs, but I wanted to do a little bit of an unboxing with you guys. The lighting isn't so great, so because we have spotlights, but I really like my makeup today. I'm using the new Norvina palette. Anyways, yesterday I sliced my finger and then I did my makeup, so it's covered in liner. We have a huge ASOS haul. Now I bought like 3 sets of different things like at different times, and they've just accumulated, and I was just waiting to get everything at once so I could do a unboxing with you guys. Okay, so the first thing I got is these jeans. They're like these wide-legged, rough-edged denims. I got them in a size 18. I'm a size 18 UK. In case you guys didn't know, I'm actually quite thick. Actually, I used to be a 16 last year, but after I had Adam, I am now an 18. My hips are massive to begin with. They were massive when I was like 12, but they just became even more bigger, which I didn't think was possible. But yeah, I got that. I also got some tights, some leggings, some simple black leggings as well. I also got this off-the-shoulder trench. Now, I want to steam it, but I don't know if I'm allowed to steam things if it doesn't fit. Like, I don't want to steam it and then put it on and realize, wait, it doesn't fit right. But I'm going to show you how these all look, and it comes with this belt. It's supposed to be super flattering for the... Oh my god, that was so disrespectful. I just like threw the belt. It looks like it would be flattering for someone that is more curvy, like myself. I got this pretty bra, and you know what? I don't think it's inappropriate to show bras, even if you're a hijabi. It's like real life things. Like, people wear bras and underwear. It's like, get over it, people. But anyways, I don't know my size, and I'm sort of in the middle of like just trial and error, just because the shops, I didn't want to go into the shop to get a bra fitting, just out of laziness and lockdown for the past couple months. So hopefully this fits. I find that the only bras that actually fit me well are bras that are like balcony cut. It just kind of lifts without pushing, if you know what I mean. Now this just looks like polka dots, but I'm going to try this on and show you what it looks like. It's a long sleeve maxi dress that kind of goes in at the waist. This is a size 18, I believe. It might be too big, but I'd rather have it big where I could take it in than a bit too small, if you know what I mean. You never want to be uncomfortable, right? Something I realize is like, you can't be in denial with your size. If you are a size 18, you're used to be a size 14, you're a size 18, and you're trying to fit into size 14 clothes, don't. Stop that mentality. It is just a number. There's such a like toxic mentality with like getting larger size things. You shouldn't let it define the status of like how beautiful you look. If things are just uncomfortable for you and you're having trouble shopping, try actually getting the right size. You'd be surprised on how many times I used to buy things and they just never used to fit right, and it was like, I'm just getting a size too small or 2 sizes too small. Like, why am I doing that to myself? Would I rather look silly wearing something that's way too small on me because the number is a bit smaller than to get my actual size, feel beautiful, look beautiful, and just get on with things? This is another dress. Now, I'm trying to stay away from printed dresses, and this looks like it won't be flattering on me, but it looked so beautiful on the model. So we're just gonna try it. I don't know yet. We're just gonna try and see if it looks good. But again, I'm trying to stay away from prints because when I buy pieces like this, I tend to not wear them as often as I would if they were like a more neutral print. And if I'm gonna buy something, I need to be able to wear it like 10, 20 times. without feeling like, oh, people see me in this, blah, 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 you know? I also got these shoes. They're from ASOS. They're so cute, right? And they look super, super comfortable. Like, I put them on very briefly. The soles are quite cushioned. I love heels, even though I'm almost 6 feet tall. I tend to avoid wearing heels, not because of the height situation. It used to be because of height, but now I avoid wearing heels because I'm so uncomfortable in heels. Especially now that I've had a baby, my feet have grown even bigger, and I'm actually a size 9 UK. So these are the other pair that I got. They're more of like a kitten heel. I like that there's like a strap that supports the actual shoe to not like slip off, because they're actually quite dainty. But I find like a sandal heel the most sexiest thing. A strappy shoe is just so hot. Toe is something that's trending right now. I actually have this blouse slash blazer. I think it's a blouse. Yeah, I don't know. I think it's a blouse, but I have it in black, and I'll show you a picture. I actually wore it in a picture where me and Adam were on the floor playing, and Hubby took a really cute photo of us. It's really flattering, and I really loved how that looked on me. So I got the white, but I'm hoping that it's not see-through. This blouse is a little strange, but I thought it would be super cute with some mom jeans. Again, I'm loving the whole corset blouse. I've always loved it. I used to like layer corsets on top of oversized dress shirts, like men dress shirts. So I love the idea of this. And it had like these whooshing sleeves. This is what the white looks like. So cute, so cute. Can't wait to try these on for you. Okay, please excuse the very dirty mirror. There's like fingerprints everywhere, especially from the bottom because of Adam. But this is the black top that I bought. I think it's super cute, flattering, and I'd wear it with like a shirt under because this part's open. I'm convinced I have lipodema in my arms, okay? It's like excess fat. It's just genetics. It's what I have. These sleeves are actually quite massive, so they suit it, but I really like this top. I'm wearing sweats now, but I'll probably wear it with some like light wash denims, straight cut. This is the blouse. I definitely got the wrong size. This isn't even closed, whereas the black one, it closed perfectly all the way to the bottom. Plus it's missing a button. These jeans, I think they're so cute. They're like straight cut. And by the way, I'm wearing the 2 shoes. Don't mind my toes. They're really crusty. These shoes on my right are super tight. They're killing me. If they were to fit, I feel like they'd be super comfy. These ones are nice. I don't know. They just feel like they'd like slip off as I walk. Like they just keep hitting the back of my soles. But these jeans are really cute. I like these jeans. They just give me a really like flat tush, which I'm not really impressed about, but it's fine. Jeans are one of those things that like you have to try on 100 pairs in order for you to find the perfect fit. Okay, you guys, so I'm on my way to my first ever kickboxing class. I have my stuff here, and I happen to have my own boxing gloves. So basically it was a PR extra, so it was for a sunscreen by Effortless, and they actually sent boxing gloves, like protect your skin, you know what I mean? I'm covered in SPF, by the way, so I look a little chalky. But yeah, I'm gonna meet up with Khadija for the first time. She's the first female run Muay Thai trainer, teacher. So we're gonna do some kickboxing. I have my long sleeve on, and then I have this really long shirt and my little cap, but this is probably coming off. I'm so excited about this. I have my camera. I'm gonna vlog bits of it for you guys.
So you do jab, cross, hook, high kick. You're gonna do 1 high kick. And then you're gonna do jab, cross, hook, 2 high kicks, and we're going up to 10.
Got it.
Okay?
Hey guys, all right, so I'm on my way to my workout session. I swear I feel like I'm gaining weight. I don't know what it is. I was changing and I was looking in the mirror and I was just like, I'm just not feeling, oh my God, I'm like shutting. The combination of makeup that I used today did not work. I'm just gonna take some of Adam's Skin Refresher, and I actually use this to take off my makeup sometimes. I'm just feeling very insecure today. I don't know what it is. I just thought I was doing better, but apparently I'm not. Maybe my cheat meals are a bit too many. I was just changing, and like Amr walked in and he was like, hello, and I'm like, don't. What are you doing? Huh? You know I look different. And he's just so sweet and positive, bro. Anyways, today's an outdoor workout, so I'm just going to put on some hefty SPF. I'm using the Caudalie Anti-Wrinkle SPF 50. I'm gonna have a white cast, especially when I sweat, but that's okay. Gotta stay positive, gotta be ready for today's workout. I gotta go make some black coffee because I love black coffee before my workout, and like a banana or something. Walking towards Khadija. She's at this park, but it's a 10-minute walk, which is next to a lake. So I'm actually really excited to just kind of get some fresh air. But this area is so cute. So I woke up this morning not feeling so great. I want to say the mirror was broken, but I feel like a brat because obviously Amir is like super supportive and he's super kind. I'm not the same and I don't feel good in my skin, so I just hope that hopefully toning up will give me more confidence, because I already have the confidence that I didn't have on just feeling stronger. What I really loved about kickboxing is it just gave me this confidence that a mother should have, like security. You just feel like you could be more of a mama bear. You could protect your
So we're going to work on strengthening your back. This also works your abs at the same time, on keeping your feet on the floor, hands on the back of your head, and I want you to look forwards. Okay? Yeah. And you're just going to do slight raises. We're going to do 2 sets of 10. And take a break. Yes. Not that kind of break.
Oh, okay.
And that power, if you kicked somebody here on the outside of the knee, you would officially break their leg. The happiness of that. Well done.
Yay.
Nice.
So I just finished my workout. We forgot to record the intense bits, but we recorded this one workout where I was like kind of strengthening my back. So if anybody has back issues, apparently it's really good for your back. We're gonna go home, I'm gonna shower, quickly make shakshuka for everybody, and we're going to maybe go for a walk later on.
Yeah, for sure.
It'll be nice, get some ice cream. Right, Sammy?
Sammy's like, no ice cream. He said, no ice cream. I asked him.
Yeah.
You said no ice cream, bro. I said, you want ice cream? You're like, nah.
He's just being humble.
I'm good. I don't do ice cream. I was like, all right.
He's...
All right.
And by the way, you called him for 13. He's actually 14.
12. Then demoted. Then.
Why would you demote him? So I'm doing a double chin check. So we're gonna see how much my double chin shrinks. You know how people do like body like pictures of like befores and after? Let's do double chin. Ready? Okay. So let's see what this looks like in a couple weeks. Your turn. Don't let his beard fool you. Men are so lucky. You know how we have like shapewear? They have beards. So they can disguise the biggest double chin. You don't notice it until you have children with them and your child has the cutest little double chin. And you're like, let me see what's under there. Let me see. And then you find the source of the issue. And then I saw a baby picture of Amir. He is so delicious. There's one racist picture of you.
Racist one?
Yeah, you're dressed in a thobe and you look like a Saudi Arabian.
That was a thing party. Fancy dress party.
No.
Yes.
Halloween?
Fancy dress.
You were an Arab man.
Yeah, it was a fancy dress party. It was fancy dress.
He even had the mustache, like he was a proper Arab.
Yeah, it was a fancy dress party. I remember that clearly, yo. Don't try to take my childhood away.
So why did they put a mustache on you?
Because I wanted it. I wanted to be Sheikh. No, they thought it would be funny. My mom
it was so
funny.
cute.
They thought she was cracking
Inappropriate,
up.
but cute.
Shakshuka. I said it right. Yeah.
Just woken up, so we're gonna go pick him up from his bedroom, and I wanted to show you how adorable he is when we wake him up.